Look at that line. Oh my God. Look at that line. Okay, I'm done. I'm sorry. If you guys want me to do a tutorial on how I created this eye makeup, stay tuned to my channel, because I'm going to do a video on how I created this look. Not only how I created this look, but also what products I used to create this look. And I am going to do a video which will be a kind of a quasi video. It will be not only a video of me putting my makeup on, but I'm also going to explain to you guys how the channel had blew up and what I did. I have some ideas, so I'm going to share what those ideas are and what I think might have been the thing. Okay, and then you're going to learn how I do my makeup on a regular, and it might be a little bit different than what you're expecting when it comes to how people put makeup on, because I'm not normal in the way that I put makeup on, because I'm kind of new at putting makeup on. So you might be watching it after watching a whole bunch of makeup tutorials and be like, what is you doing? What is you doing? But it's just how I do it. And guess what? Look at the results. Everybody's always saying, ooh, I love your makeup. You ain't got to put it on like a makeup artist. Who told you that? I'm going to tell you you don't have to. So stay tuned.